Any mention?
Please, Lordship. My Lord, I beg to mention hearing item number 18, my Lord. I'm for respondent state, my Lord.
18, who's on the other side?
My Lord, Mr. Nongpur is from the station.
Who's
Station
Nongpur?
counsel. Mr. M.L. Nongpur, he appears from the
Where is
station.
he?
My Lord, I'll inform him. Mr. Medhi is from Guwahati, he appears. So I don't see him on the monitor also. Madam
Get the consent first. Yes, what's the problem?
T. Youngie is on sanction leave, my Lord. I'll inform him, my Lord.
Okay, yes. After 2 weeks, yes.
May it please your Lordship, with your Lordship's permission, I wish to mention an urgent matter for listing today at the end of the board, your Lordship.
What urgent matter? How urgent is it?
There's a miscase which I had filed in the red petition seeking not to release the compensation against accusation. So that miscase has not been heard because all the parties have not appeared. So now
What miscase
this is
is this?
subsequent.
Which matter is this?
This is the Maumi matter, that land compensation. Mr. Sun is appearing, yes. Ortimai.
Which Momi matter?
The thank yous matter. Ortimai thank yous matter. Where I've come with a writ petition not to stop the compensation against accusation.
There are competing claims, and their contention is that since there is a suit pending, the amount should not be disbursed to either of the parties. That's an essential claim in the writ petition.
So the other parties are on board?
I will inform them. Mr. Gautam is also.
Post today, the court sitting till 12:30. That's the only thing.
Matter may come up on Monday, Manoj.
Monday also is a problem.
Then
Tuesday.
Tuesday is fine.
Tuesday. Okay.
Yes.
Oblige, Manoj.
Roger.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I humbly pray to take up this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why did you inform before asking? You should seek consent.
Yes. What's the matter about?
This is with regards to the compensation.
This is a
Your
compensation.
Lordship.
Yes. Any objection?
They should just have informed beforehand, Lordship.
Okay. Okay. So you up to you, senior members, to educate the younger members of the bar.
Lordship.
Yes.
So maybe next time we'll object, Lordship.
Yes. 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Much obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
30.
13, Lordship, 13. Lordship, in this matter, one of the petitioner has expired, Lordship.
Who?
One of the petitioner number 34, Lordship, has expired.
It's connected with 14.
Yes, Lordship. Kindly allow us to bring on record.
Yes. After 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to
15.
mention item number 15.
Yes. Mr. Guru is on leave. Yes. 2 weeks. Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17.
This week go easy. After next week we'll do cases. Yes. Where's the other side? Other side ZE non-country is no objection.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Pray that matter may come after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
No urgency.
No urgency.
Then come to 4 weeks and yes.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 21, Your Lordship. We have filed our rejoinder yesterday only, so let it matter
21?
come after. 21 and 22, Your Lordship. Similar matters.
You file rejoinder?
Yes, Your Lordship, yesterday.
Yes. You see copies? Okay. When after?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. After 4 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
4 weeks on the prayer of the liquor. Yes. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 23 to 31, Your Lordship. I humbly pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2031. Why 2 weeks time? What do you require?
We need some time to prepare the matter, Your Lordship.
Repair the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's Press Employment Council matter, Your Lordship.
It's a VC matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You need to prepare it, okay. After 1 week?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, after 2 weeks, 2331, yes.
Highly obliged.
Senate Council submit, they have to prepare the matter, yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 16.
You are there, 16? Who's there, 16? Other side. Karmi and...
I'm felicity respondent, Lordship, 16.
I'm for respondent 2, 5 and 3.
Mr. Jindal.
May
No objection.
Your Lordship, yesterday we have filed one misapplication regarding this matter. The petitioner number 1 want to strike up his name from the petition.
Oh, Shahbaz Qureshi.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
Due to some personal difficulties.
You are aware of that?
We are not aware, Lordship.
So infighting has started?
No, Lordship.
Yes, okay.
Lordship will seek instructions in the meantime.
Unless after 1 week, yes, to allow the council petitioners to obtain the instructions. As has been reported that the petition number 1 has filed a misapplication for striking of his name as a petitioner. Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention that item number 19, the conducting counsel for the private respondent number 5, is under bereavement. I have already taken the consent from the counsel for the
petition. Bereavement?
19.
19 years.
I'm for the state respondent.
Bereavement, so in 2 weeks, yes.
Ultimately, we have got the correct rule here. Well,
finally?
Yeah, we have got the correct rule. They were mistake, so we have got the correct rule. And then we come up hearing and in place.
Yes. Yes.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Yes,
my Lord, we are challenging the order passed by District Council on 24th September, 24th September 2024, saying that, my Lord, my village fall within the jurisdiction of the Milim Sameship. There was a counterclaim between the Sohing Lingtoship and the Milim. Now, without hearing the writ petitioner, the exit committee has passed an order last month that my village fall within the jurisdiction of the Milim Sameship. In violation of the natural justice. The impugned order.
What about is a boundary dispute?
It is a dispute between the two, the same Milimship and the Sohyang, about the territorial jurisdiction. Now, when we Lordship is aware, under Section 4 of the Iraga Act, if those disputes are there, it requires to be referred to the impugned order, my Lord, page 60, my Lord.
Yes.
Page number 60, and cancel my Sanat also. Annexure 13, my Lord.
Sanat already cancelled?
Sanat also sought to be cancelled. It is yet to be cancelled, my Lord. With reference to the subject.
The management request has cancelled Sanat, which have been issued.
Yes.
So
without hearing me, my Lord, this order was issued. And the District Council has referred 2022 order. And that 22 order I have also annexed, my Lord. For the first time we come to know. Page number 64.
Why didn't you challenge this order before?
My Lord, we were never served this copy.
Have you challenged this order now?
We challenged it. Yes, my Lord. So this order also, it says, my Lord...
Based on the fact and findings here, the falls in administration and jurisdiction of William Jameship. Yes.
My Lord, page 65, my Lord. Having heard both the parties, during the course of hearing and on perusal of the records, such argument from the office of the CM of Milim, even though in spite of this...
Is it a question of jurisdiction or boundary?
It is a jurisdiction and boundary, my Lord.
No, jurisdiction will be another thing, boundary is different.
Here it is a territorial jurisdiction, my Lord.
Yes, Mr. Dingla.
Let me seek instructions, my Lord, because this order is 22, dated 2022.
Why didn't you challenge it? All along you were not aware.
We were not aware.
You were still functioning as a SODA.
Still today the...
Under what authority then?
Under the Sanat issued by the Sohyang. Sohyang.
That means from Milliam also SODA functioning?
No, they don't give any appointment to any person.
It appears that Milliam also was issuing Sanat and Lingdo also. That's where the...
You get instructions, yes.
My Lord, allow me to take step with regard to other parties, my Lord.
Yes?
Lord, allow me to take step with the other parties.
I heard Mr. Excellency Council with so-and-so. Issue notice, Mr. Titian with Archives artists present, except for on behalf of respondents 1, 2, 3. Notice to issue to the respondents 4 and 5 within 1 week, less after 2 weeks for instructions or affidavit.
Divya.
Item number 2.
Where's Mr. Sheikh?
Please, Lordship, conducting counsel is in next court. May this matter take out.
He should be here. You tell him that. Yesterday, he's going to face contempt. What other matters be subservient to this court if they're in court number 3 or 4? Right now. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I seek your indulgence, my Lord. Kindly give me 2 weeks' time, my Lord, to file the affidavit, my Lord.
What about number 3?
Number 3 also has not filed.
Let's file Mr. Ranjak, right?
Lordship.
Please was allowed on behalf also pays for allowed further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit. List thereafter. None appears for number 3. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
Follow the matter again for number 2.
Supplement.
Mr. Sheikh, please come here. This court take a very serious note of your conduct yesterday.
Lordship, I apologize, Lordship. First, I would like to apologize, Lordship. Yesterday,
I have to leave. The court to drop contempt against you.
I have to leave for hospital, Lordship, to collect one medical report, Lordship. I can produce, Lordship.
That's a question. At least you should have come before the court.
No,
after the matter was passed over on your request.
I have left before that, Lordship. Because I have one matter before that other court.
And today also in the matter of substantive list, you have audacity to go and appeal for other courts first.
Lordship, this matter, item number 2, I thought I was in the process coming only.
You think that this court is very soft?
No, Lordship, no. I was coming only, Lordship. I was just watching in the thing, Lordship. Because item number 1 and 2, other. Well, I apologize, Lordship. Because yesterday, Lordship, what happened? I had to.
You instructed your junior to say that. What did the junior say? First, when the matter was called out, he is another court. I said, fine, since there's a challenge on the maintainability aspect, we will hear Mr. Sheikh. Pass over for a time being. And when the matter is called out again, he says he's gone home.
My Lord, I'd like to clarify, Lordship. My Lord, the matter was listed for orders, Lordship. Lordship, since the matter was listed almost bottom, Lordship, then I appeared, I came. Then it was that some item number was going on, Lordship.
No, I don't want an explanation.
So I left, Lordship.
If you have to leave the court, you probably instruct your junior.
So I apologize.
Take very serious note.
I apologize, Lordship.
For this time, we will let you go. But then if it has amounts of obstructing.
Yes, Lordship. True, Lordship.
And what happens here with obstruct unfair justice is criminal contempt.
I sorry, I could not inform my junior that I have left the court, Lordship.
Well, this is a matter of 1 week, yes.
Obliged.
Daily list item number 2.
Lordship, here I am praying for 2 weeks' time to file our rejoinder, Lordship.
Lordship, can we turn to page number 9 of the affidavit filed by the municipal board?
Which municipal board?
The Bagmara Municipal Board. Page number 9. Points P and Q. Nothing remains, my lord.
Number 9?
Page number 9.
Which respondent?
This is the affidavit of
Affidavit.
respondent 3 and 4.
Respondents 3 and 4.
Filed by you?
Lordship, what has happened is, an earlier round, a bunch of writ petitioners similarly situated had approached the court and running payments were made. And thereafter also, Lordship, a contempt was filed. In the contempt also, it was found that payments were being made.
Where's the PT Sangma?
He's out of station, Lordship.
Let them file a joinder.
Yes, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Much obliged.
You can't dispose the matter. He is not here. Yes, sir. Has prayed 2 weeks' time allowed for a joinder. My petitioner is.
Much obliged.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship, I apologize. There's been some delay in filing the rejoinder. It's been dispatched finally. We should receive it by tomorrow. We can file it next week, my Lord.
Yes, sir. As prayed further 1 week's time allowed for filing the joinder.
Obliged.
4.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we filed the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 6 yesterday. Your Lordship, respondents 1 to 5.
1 to 6.
On behalf of number 6, Your Lordship, 1 to 5 will rely on this same affidavit.
And what about 70 and 9?
Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 8.
What about
Your Lordship,
7 and 9?
I have no instruction, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I've been instructed to enter appearance on behalf of respondent number 9. She's the inquiry officer.
Number 9, okay. Then you are appearing for number 8. Who's number 7?
Number 7 is the
President of the VC, Your Lordship.
President, MS Seti Nonkari submits that an affidavit has been filed on behalf of the respondent number 6, which will suffice. Number 6, and the respondent number 5 that will also rely on the same stock. She also has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 9. Will file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm praying for
Please
them.
allowed to file affidavit. Mr.
E. Ahmed.
Mr. Ahmed has entered appearance today on behalf of respondent number 8. You're number 7? Oh no. So none appears behalf number 7. Just after
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Your Worship, respondent number 5, 6, 7, they have filed. They placed their stand, and we would like to seek.
What about number 5? You file affidavit?
Yeah.
You file? 1 to 4, no affidavit. Then 8 to 10?
Still respondent is not required.
8, you are still respondent.
Still respondent. Pro forma still
Yes.
So we will file our rejoinder.
To whose affidavit? To 6 and 7 and 5?
5, 6, 7.
Mr. Kalindo prays funds allowed 2 weeks time to file a joint to the affidavits.
3 weeks time.
By the respondents. Okay, 3 weeks. 6, 5, 6 and 7. Yes. Just after 3 weeks.
All right. Obliged, Your Worship.
Item number 6.
Where's the affidavit, MS Guru?
Lordship, we have already drafted a...
Transit.
Your Lordship, we have already sent the affidavit to the department for the signature, Your Lordship.
Yes, 2 weeks for the time as prayer allowed. For affidavit, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
7.
Your Lordship,
yes.
Steps for transfer has only been taken with regard to the petitioner, but then there are other pending applications of the other advocates as well.
There's a big issue, I think, because with how many applicants are pending for transfer of lawyers from this Assam to Meghalaya Bar Council?
The records are a little bit difficult because only a few have made payments. Payments confirmed is around 200 foot, 280.
They're all still stuck.
Yes.
Because there's some problem also, because some lawyers will need a certificate of continuance of practice also. And if that certificate, suppose they want to go and apply for a bi-license abroad, or they're going for some other, maybe practicing some other jurisdiction, there's a continuance of practice that's necessary, which and with this transfer will create problems for them, because neither will you issue because it has not been transferred to Meghalaya Bar Council, or neither will Assam, this Nagaland Bar Council issue it because they have applied for transfer from the Bar Council of Assam. So that puts them in a funny position. I've had reports that they've asked, and from Assam they've rejected, saying that since you already applied for transfer and you should be practicing in Meghalaya, and Meghalaya they can't get it. So for continuance of practice, suppose they want to practice in any other country, New York or London or whatever, so they need that certificate to show that they have that experience, that they've been in continuous practice. But even in continuous practice, some they may be allowed not to sit for the bar exams, something like that. Anyway, you look to it.
Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to file an affidavit to bring out record, I can bring all the details.
Not necessary, but the thing is that it's up to the Bar Council of Meghalaya to set things in order, see the transfers are done, so the lawyers don't suffer.
Because in the end, it's up to the respondent number 2 to
India, of course, but you have not appeared as yet. Are you appearing with number 2?
Number 3.
Number 3 is okay. You're appearing for
Bar Council of Assam.
Number 2, none appears.
None appears.
You already apprised them.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sinkram, learned counsel for respondent number 4, submits that the transfer enrollment of the writ petitioner is in process.
Yes.
Stop. But then the final orders come from Pakistan of India.
Yes.
But the final approval has to be obtained from the respondent number 2, who has not put in an appearance.
They've requested an NOC. No objection. I've already complied with that.
Further submits that an application for NOC for transfer has also been submitted for number 2, which has evoked no response as yet. Stop. On you have nothing to say.
I have nothing to say, just for my part.
Number 3.
Your Honor, we haven't received instruction from BCI. So once the instruction...
You have not received instructions?
Not yet, Your Honor, Your Lordship.
What is your name?
El Majah.
Yes, next para MS El Majan, Bihar number 3. That is the Par Council Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland. Submits that they are still awaiting instructions from the respondent number 2. Stop. Next paragraph. This situation, it appears, has been at a stalemate. The situation regarding transfer of enrollment of lawyers from the erstwhile Bar Council to the Meghalaya Bar Council, it appears has been at a stalemate for a considerable period of time. Stop. The non-transfer of the enrollments will give rise to problems to the advocates who are practicing under the Meghalaya, under the High Court of Meghalaya, or in the state of Meghalaya. So, that's why it is expected, therefore, that respondent number 2 initiate appropriate steps to instruct the respective bar councils so the transfer of lawyers or obvious enrollments be achieved at the earliest. Stop. A copy of this order be marked to the chairman of the Bar Council of India, as well as the executive members, the secretary of the executive, I think it's committee something of the Bar Council. Yes. Respondent number 2. Bracket respondent number 2, yes. Just after 2 weeks.
Item number 8.
My Lord.
Yes, you haven't disclosed.
My Lord, she has filed one complaint along with other teachers, my Lord. She deliberately, she has not done it, my Lord.
So what do you want to withdraw?
My Lord. My Lord, may allow us to file a small affidavit, my Lord, to bring on record the complaint.
You already filed one writ petition earlier.
My Lord?
Is it a petition or representation?
No, Your Lordship. It was a complaint.
It's a complaint to the district school education officer, my Lord.
What happened to the meeting on your complaint?
My Lord, nothing has come, no result, my Lord, till date.
What affidavit are you going to file now?
My Lord, to bring on record the complaint, my Lord, and whatever proceeding has taken up by the...
Why you not disclose it in the petition?
My Lord, she has not...
Concealed from you.
My Lord. She not considered, my Lord, deliberately, my Lord. She forgot, my Lord, that she has filed a complaint.
She forgot?
My Lord.
Your Lordship, the meeting was held recently.
My Lord, but
Your Lordship, nothing came of it because the issues with,
between
the petitioner and the managing committee, Your
from
Lordship.
2006 till 2024.
Doesn't repeat anything.
Nothing.
Like Your Lordship, here we're saying that she's not a sanctioned teacher also.
So let them file their affidavit, my Lord.
Yes, sir. Take down. Where's Mr. Nopier?
Your Lordship is out of station, Your Lordship.
Ms. R. Datta today submits that it is a fact that the petitioner has sought redressal, which, however, has not culminated in any relief being given to the petitioner. She further submits that the non-inclusion of the on non-disclosure of the said representation or the proceedings with regard to her complaint was due to inadvertence. She please allowed to bring the same on record for affidavit stamp. Prayer is allowed. Affidavits to be filed thereafter by the respondents.
Obligement.
Yes.
Item number 9.
Lordship, here the service report are still awaiting, Lordship, for respondent number 4.
I have filed my affidavit.
Kharmi Narad submits that on behalf of the respondents. One has been filed. Stop. However, the case of service on number 4 is not complete. The petitioner to obtain status of service on number 4 and to file a journal if necessary before the next date, less up to 2 weeks.
10.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the state has filed its affidavit on the 26th of 09/2024. My Lord, if may kindly come to the state's affidavit, my Lord.
Excuse me.
My Lord, para 14.
1 second.
Oh, my apologies, Lord.
Para
14, my Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, may I read? That the vermin made in para 1 so and so of the petition, the answering respondent submits that the respondent number 5 had submitted a proposal dated 29/7/2024 for reconstitution of the managing committee of Madrasa Himayatul Islamic LP School without the consent of the outgoing secretary, the petitioner. The respondent number 4 was unclear of the process of electing the members, teachers, representative, parents, guardians, representative, as well as other nominated members.
You appeal for number 5? Yes. You want to file affidavit? Why?
We pray for 2 weeks' time.
Your actions under question under question now.
We just pray for 2 weeks' time so we can file the affidavit.
Yes, sir.
My Lord, going by the statement filed by the state respondent, my Lord, the case can be closed, my Lord, because...
Let them file affidavit. If you are doubting the actions of respondent number 5, then some orders have to follow. Correct or no? Okay. Your name?
T. Potlong.
MS T. Potlong for some 5 praise funds allowed for a few time for affidavit. Stop me is Mr. Jian Dunja, next paragraph counsel for GF 124, has also drawn the attention of the court to the affidavit file and submits that on the basis of vermins made therein the matter can be closed. Stop. Next, however, ends of justice, let the affidavit be on board before the next date.
Highly obliged.
11.
Alun.
I am appealing for the university, Lordships. No, my Lord, we have received the para-wise comment, Lordship. If your Lordship grant me 10 days time, I think, my Lord, next day, Lordship can dispose of the matter. We'll just bring on records.
Your Lordship, in the meantime, I would like to inform this court that during the pendency of this writ petition, 11 lakh has been released by the respondent, Your Lordship.
How much money is outstanding now?
It was 19,20,745, Your Lordship, altogether.
19 lakh, when was it released?
11 lakh has been
11 lakh has been released.
11 lakh when? Any order? You don't have any letter with you? That is not aware also.
My Lord, I am also, some amount has been released. That's why I will place it on records. Just give me your Lordship 1 week, 10 days time.
SN submits that instructions have since been received, or just been received. He plays out to file an affidavit in 2 weeks' time. Mr. Roy has also submitted that during the pendency of the matter, amount of 11 lakhs since been released to the petitioner. This is the matter after 2 weeks of affidavit by
Rosh.
Who responds?
12.
May I please, Your Lordship? The respondent was supposed to file the affidavit.
1 second.
I'm appearing for the managing committee.
Where was the Pandey?
And he is out of station.
Out of station? Yes.
So seeking time 2 weeks to file the counter affidavit.
What's your name?
T.M. Marak.
The main issue.
Main whatever, are you filing affidavit or not?
No, it's not required.
Not required. You're Mr. T.M. Marak.
Yes.
Mr. T.M. Marak, on behalf of 1 and 2, raise that he may be allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavits. Stop. Next time, there's a keyword Saji for GA for 1 and 2, or for 3 and 5. Submits at the stage no affidavit be necessary from state respondents.
In the meantime, the interim order may be continued, Your Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue to the next date. Yes, on so.